They say children live what they learn, and it's no different in sports. So obviously, the sight of international superstar Luis Suarez biting Italian defender Giorgio Chiellini on the big World Cup stage, that bite left an indelible mark on the younger generation of biters. Sorry, of players. That, of course, was in the 2014 World Cup, and Suarez was vilified, almost crucified, and punished via suspension. Well, fast forward to 2019 in Kingston, Jamaica, Manning Cup semi-final, Jamaica College versus Kingston College. KC defender and JC attacker tussling off the ball, and all of a sudden, defender bite the attacker in the neck. Look again. The victim retaliated with a slap while the perpetrator played the victim role. Of course, the referee did not see it, and the Manning Cup don't use VAR, so neither player was punished. And while it was unfortunate and should not be condoned and should indeed be condemned and blah, 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 I think it was hilarious. I think this was definitely the bite of the week. We have it up because you see the KFC logo on my shirt. You take my fried chicken. Wait, take my chicken leg. Ease up. Ooh.